guys where we're going.
Hi guys. Vlog.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. So we're going na.
We're going to Lecoin today with the whole family, with the whole gang. And mga in-invite kasi ni Mami lahat ng co-teachers niya and all the staff sa kanilang office because i-treat niya sila today because nag-retire lang siya kamakailan. So,
It's like it's like
yeah.
what you call that? Ano na yung despedida?
Despedida party. Pag-alis niya sa Kalumbayan.
Seatbelt. Like this one.
Lectorin is in Tabak.
It's in La Union.
It's in Cabalak Union. It's just one town. And next town from Bawang.
Yeah.
Going south.
It's like 20 minutes away.
No? Bago naman 20 minutes.
It's traffic, oh.
Yeah, depende sa traffic.
Yeah, depende sa traffic.
Traffic.
Yeah, it's traffic. So we're gonna see you. Bye.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Guys, ayan na ang family ng Mayo. Parang ako magdamit si Tito Bango. Okay guys, we're here.
Excuse me,
We're
please.
here. I'm so tired. Lapit-lapit. So
So
tired. Tawag to ano ba?
Alam ko ng Manila. Okay, let's see the guys over there. Wait, ang dugyot ng camera. Fit check. Lane wide. And they're here. The kids. Say hi. Say hi, vlog. Let's go inside. Let's meet the Lola. So guys, we're here na inside with the kids. And then Kisha, say hi vlog.
Hi.
They're here. My mama. Ito lang daw ang reserve.
Dito na.
Yeah.
Wala pa naman dito.
Yeah, there's mom and Lola and Lola. And then the tita. And then the tito and Johnny. That's my guy. And this is Keisha. And this is JK. This is JK. And then this is Athena. And then this is Nate. Yeah. Guys are getting food. The teachers. Pero the boys, that is party. Pa-picture kayo dito. Guys are getting food. And my
Dati kayo palatas.
cute people here. There's my mom. Let's talk to her. Camila, what can you say?
What will I say?
What can you say
I'm happy
about
because
today?
my co-teachers are here again and my school heads are here again. They're very happy.
Okay.
And we are all present here. It's complete, my retirement.
Okay. There's so many. Yan guys, this is my kitchen. Mukhang tao, simple lang. Ayan guys, it's all guys, so we're eating now. Nice food. We have lettuce and then this one, potato marble. The best. And then these are the... Actually, nakabukas na sa pork. Painit na lang. So good.
Ang pwede din tayo.
kumain. And then we're just chilling out here.
Tapos kumain ng ice cream. With the family. My mama and punta na sila.
Hi guys! Pauwi na us. Pauwi na us. Hindi pa lang kami nakakalis. Maraming car. Nahihirapan na nga. Yan, pauwi na us. Did you enjoy?
Yeah. We did not feel guilty because we did not cheat.
We enjoyed. Because we had a free. She got 200 pesos. I only got
Ano 200? Yeah, 200. Naka 200 ka. Yung isa galing sa akin. Tapos parang nanalo ng